This is a nice patio villa. And so is that one. Welcome to the Lisa Patio Villa neighborhood here in the village of LaGrange. Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Tim. I'm standing here in the Lisa Patio Villa neighborhood. Some of you might be wondering, where is that or what is that? This neighborhood is going to be released shortly. This neighborhood is located just north of the Kim Patio Villa neighborhood, which is also in the village of LaGrange, where they did release homes a couple of weeks ago. Now this neighborhood is going to be released shortly, and I wanted to take you on a brief walking tour of the Lisa Patio Villa neighborhood. I'll talk about the bond information. I'll give you the interest rate of the bond. And I wanted to take a walk down Rosenwig Avenue, and you can go to the villages.com website. This neighborhood is located just north of the Eastport Town Square, and right over the tops of those homes will be Eastport. You're looking at maybe a 5-minute golf car ride to Eastport. You can see this home has a one-car garage with a golf car garage. You can see it's extra deep. This is located at 1336 Rosenwig Avenue in the Lisa Patio Villa neighborhood. I wanted to talk about the bond information. The bond information in this neighborhood is $26,463.63. It will be 4.72% interest. And for those new to the channel, the bond is infrastructure costs that the Community Development District passes on to the home buyer. Allows the home buyer the opportunity to pay it off all at once or over 30 years' time. If you pay it off over time, you will incur finance and administration charges. And I wanted to give you a sneak peek of this neighborhood. You do see the homes on this street are completed, and I'm thinking that the villages are going to list these homes for sale very shortly. So keep your eye on the villages.com website. If you're interested in this patio villa neighborhood, I do like it. Generally speaking, I like this neighborhood as good, if not better, than the Kim Patio Villa neighborhood that's located just south of here in LaGrange. It seems to be very peaceful in this neighborhood. And I'm listening for turnpike noise. I do not hear any turnpike noise today. And if you're interested in a model with a 2-car garage and a golf car garage, this is located at 1355 Rosenwig Avenue. It is on a corner site. These homes sell really fast. So if you're interested in a home like this, I would encourage you to work with your village's sales associate. It does have a bird cage off the side as well. These homes are rare finds, and generally speaking, these homes are sold the day that they list this neighborhood available for sale. So this is hitting a home run in terms of patio villa. It is a wood-framed home with vinyl siding. It's on a corner lot. It has a bird cage. It has a 2-car garage and a golf car garage. It's located just minutes from the Eastport Town Square. And here is another home, very similar, 2-car garage with a golf car garage. Again, it's on the end of the street. You do have concrete block walls separating this neighborhood from a designer home neighborhood that's located just on the other side of the wall. The address of this home is 1358, and I will put a pop-up box as the name of the street. And this neighborhood is still not quite complete. The homes on this street here are virtually finished, and the homes on the other street are still in mid construction. But I wanted to give you a first peek at this neighborhood, the Lisa Patio Villas. If you're interested in a patio villa, and if you don't find the one you like in the Kim Patio Villas, located just south of here, you can work with your village sales associate and potentially put an offer in on one of these new homes that have not yet been listed for sale. And how the story goes, when these homes come on the market, you're working with your village's sales associate. They will submit a bid for you the minute the homes open up. And most likely there will be several people interested in these hard to get homes, like the home on the corner right there. Most likely there'll be several people interested in that home. And when the homes open up for sale, your sales associate will submit a bid electronically, and sales associates will be submitting bid on behalf of their clients, and whoever's bid is accepted first and entered first wins the opportunity to buy the home. So I'm bringing you this video to give you a first look at this neighborhood. I believe the homes on this street, Rosenwig Avenue, are going to be opening up first because they look almost complete. And if you're interested in any one of these homes, I wanted to bring you video content. This is located at 1335 Rosenwig. Here's a Topaz model with a 2-car garage. Rare Find Homes has a concrete block wall in the back, separating the designer home neighborhood. This home most likely will sell the first day that it's listed. This home also has a bird cage on the side of the home. Back of this home does face northwest. This home is also on a corner lot. Here's a home that has a patio in the back of the home. It is not screened in. A lot of designer homes and cottage homes will have screened in lanais. These patio villas do not. But I would recommend you buy a home like this that you would screen it in. This is what the neighborhood looks like. And the homes on that street are not quite finished. So I will not walk down that street. But I did take a brief drone video of the neighborhood. you're interested in learning more about this neighborhood, check out the drone video. But I think this neighborhood is going to be very desirable. I did speak with Village's sales representatives in the past few weeks. They said patio villas tend to sell quickly. And I tend to believe it, because I do watch the Village's map and the homes listed for sale and sold. And patio villas, especially the hard to come by patio villas like the Emeralds, anything with a 2-car garage, those homes will sell fast, because you can see most of these homes have a 1-car garage with a golf car garage or a 1.5-car garage. But you will have a handful of homes in these neighborhoods. Usually there's 60 to 70 homes in a patio villa neighborhood, and only a handful of those will have 2-car garages. And very, very few will have a 2-car garage and a golf car garage like that home right there. So I hope you enjoyed the video. That is your video today. Thanks for liking my video and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. And feel free to share these videos with anyone who feels interested in the content. Have a great day. Take care. Stay safe. And what are you waiting for? Soon you're going to have more patio villas in the Lisa patio villa neighborhood waiting for you.